Hi guys and girls on YouTube and welcome to my channel. Before we start this video, I'd just like to say a very big thank you to my nearly 8,000 subscribers, which I guess is a good indication I'm putting out content that people want to watch. So in this quick little video, we're going to be taking a trip back to 1984 when I was just 19. Now this is actually the year before we opened up the shop. Now in them days there was a massive demand for colour TV sets, and when you think about it, the average 20-inch colour TV set was about £300. Now compared to wages, that was an awful lot of money, and most people couldn't afford the outlay and they chose to rent. There was a very big rental market. Now the rental companies only kept sets for so long, and then they used to get rid of them and put out a new model, perhaps when they got to about 8 years old and they started getting a bit more unreliable and they generated too many service calls. They'd swap the set for a newer model and move the old ones on. Now there's a lot of companies set up in them days actually selling these ex-rental TVs. So I've been looking through the loft at home and I've come across some photographs. So I just thought I'd talk you through this and then we'll take a quick look at these photographs. So I've dug out this television magazine. I'm going to show you where we got the TVs from. Now this is March 1984 and I've already marked the page with a pen, so let's turn straight over. And this, as you can see, there's lots and lots of adverts for people selling ex-rental TVs. This is the place we used to buy all our stock from. It's Mantel's. It's I remember the address very well. It's 419 Barlowmoor Road, and it was more or less opposite, like a big cemetery. Now apparently Mantel stood for Manchester TV, but take a look at that. And then what I've done is I've managed to find, I've just got one single photograph of the inside from here, so take a good look at that and then I'll show you the picture. Right, so there you go, take a look at that. The whole place was absolutely rammed full of TVs. What we used to do is we used to hire a van for the day, see how many TVs we can get in the back of the van. I think we used to pay about £25 each for them, not working, recondition them and sell them for £55, which in them days was quite a lot of money, but they were so popular, colour TV, you know, at that low price because people couldn't afford them new. And that's how we started, selling reconditioned TVs. Later on in life, I went on to be a Samsung and Sharp dealer. And I actually stopped selling reconditioned TVs and we just moved into new stuff. But that's how it all started. Mantel's, 419 Barlowmoor Road. Alright guys and girls, many thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for some more. I'll have some more quicker videos coming very shortly. Alright, goodbye.